Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning the model so the solver sees one well-defined solid. Open the Solidworks part and simplify tiny fillets, holes, or cosmetic features that cause meshing errors. You want robust geometry. Once done, choose File, Save As, and pick Step, IGES, or Parasolid with high precision options. Make sure to run the check and heal small gaps or duplicated faces. These early fixes prevent import failures later. Save a backup copy so you can iterate without losing progress. You now bring the file into Ansys Workbench and link it to your analysis system. Drag the geometry cell into the project schematic, then point the importer to your step/parasolid file. Once loaded, open Space Claim or Design Modeler to run automatic heal and defeature routines, combine bodies if needed, and remove tiny faces that break the mesh. Make sure the geometry units match your project settings, and confirm each entity is a solid, not a shell, because solver behavior depends on that classification. Finish by assigning materials, contacts, and boundary conditions so you can test the mesh realistically. First, run a coarse mesh to reveal problematic regions, inspect element quality, skew, aspect ratio, and Jacobian, and then apply local refinement or curvature-based sizing where needed. Once the mesh is healthy, run a small check solve to validate loads and constraints. If geometry import errors persist, re-export from Solidworks using a different format or higher precision, then re-import. This single troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.